Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to invite friends on Monopoly Go. Just tap on the friends on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then from here, guys, as you can see, you will have three options. You can add the friends, you will have here timeline and the leaderboard. So, guys, you can just invite friends over here on the green icon, and as you can see, guys, when you invited 10 friends, you will have here 150 dice, which you can play on the board, and you will also have this statue. And guys, just click the invite if you want to invite your friend. And from here, you will have multiple options to share it in multiple application as well. And guys, if you wanna copy the link, just click on copy to clipboard and you can paste it anywhere and send it to your friend. And guys, when your friend click the link, they will download the game. And then from there, you'll be able to add them into Monopoly Go. And from there, it will add them to your friend list. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.